He came back. He came back home late. He came back home late after watching a movie with his friends. I can drive a car. I can drive a car very well. I can drive a car very well because I took lessons for 6 months. Be careful. Be careful with that glass. Be careful with that glass or it might fall and break. She takes medicine. She takes medicine for her headache. She takes strong medicine for her headache when it doesn't go away. He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter to his friend. He wrote a long letter to his friend who lives in another country. They go to the gym. They go to the gym every weekend. They go to the gym every weekend to stay fit and build muscle. I caught the bus. I caught the bus to school. I caught the early bus to school because I didn't want to be late. Take care. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself while you're traveling in another country. We had lunch. We had lunch at the cafe. We had a delicious lunch at the cafe near the office. Thanks for watching. See you next time.